Hey guys, in this video I will talk to you about interrogative pronouns. Now, interrogative pronouns are of course interrogative words. Interrogative pronouns are used in questions, obviously. When you make a question, in many cases you are using interrogative pronouns. But not all the time. Not just because you see a WH word, that means that that's an interrogative pronoun. So you have to remember that, okay? Not every time you see a WH word, it means that that's an interrogative pronoun. Now, it's important that you remember that interrogative pronouns must not be followed by nouns. If an interrogative pronoun, if an interrogative word that is a word like who, where, which, how, why, when, if one of these words is followed by a noun, that is not, those words are not interrogative pronouns. They are going to be interrogative adjectives. And remember, we are not classifying adjectives, we are only interested right now in pronouns. So, these words, interrogative pronouns, they are very commonly performing roles of subjects, adverbials, and objects. Very common. It's a very common function of interrogative pronouns, one of these three. But it's not all the time, okay? It's not like if you have an interrogative pronoun by force, it's going to be a subject, a direct object, or an adverbial. No, you have to pay attention. You have to pay attention to the sentence, okay? Now, I have some example sentences for you. I want to show you so that you can see when we know that it's an interrogative pronoun and how we know what role they perform. Now, these are the sentences I have chosen to share with you. Why have you taken Daniel's shoes? Where are they taking us? What time do you want to be at Phillips? Who do you want to take to the prom? Who impressed you the most? Which dress are you giving away? Now, these are the questions that I want you to pay attention to. Look at the WH word and think. Is the WH word accompanied by a noun? Why? Do you have a noun after why? No. So that's an interrogative pronoun. Where are they taking us? Do you have a noun after where? No. So that's an interrogative pronoun. What time do you want us to be at Philip? Do you have a noun after what? Yes. And because you have a noun after what, you are not going to classify that word as an interrogative pronoun because it's not. The word what in that particular case is not an interrogative pronoun. Who do you want to take to the prom? Do you have a noun after who? No. So it's an interrogative pronoun. Who impressed you the most? No noun. Interrogative pronoun. Which dress are you giving away? Which dress? You have a noun after which. So which is actually acting as an interrogative adjective. We do not classify this one. So, I hope that's clear to know when it's an interrogative pronoun. Also make sure that they are questions, right? They are WH questions. If they are not WH questions, no, don't go classifying those as interrogative pronouns. Now, if we have identified the interrogative pronouns, we still have another task, and that is to decide if what role they are performing in the interrogative sentence. Now, this is what I recommend you do, because you are beginning to study this, because you are not used to this. It might be difficult for you at the beginning, so I recommend you restructure the interrogative sentence as a statement, okay? In other words, begin the sentence with the subject, okay? Begin the subject with the subject, follow it with a verb, consider any objects you have. In other words, make it like an affirmative or a negative sentence. So, why have you taken Daniel's shoes? What is the subject? You. So you're going to start the sentence with you. You have taken Daniel's shoes. And why? Where am I going to put why, right? That might be your question. Now, you have to place it in the natural position. Now, how do I know what the natural position is? By answering the question. By answering the question using the same sentence and include the answer. And wherever you place that phrase or that word that answers the question, that's the position for the WH word. In other words, I am going to give you the answer. You have taken Daniel's shoes because you need them for a presentation. Okay, you need to be elegant for the presentation, so you borrow his shoes. Where am I putting the reason for me taking the shoes? At the end of the sentence, right? You have taken Daniel's shoes because you need them for a presentation. So the position of the WH word in this case is going to be at the end of the sentence. Check. You have taken Daniel's shoes. Why? Now, check the next sentence. Where are they taking us? Where are they taking us? Same thing. I would answer the question and say they are taking us to jail. They are taking us to jail. The phrase that answers that question, I put it at the end. So I'm going to place where at the end too. They are taking us where? Give me a second, please. I'm having some issue here. Here we go. They are taking us where? Now, next sentence, I know that I'm not going to include the WH word as an interrogative pronoun because it's not, but I have another pronoun over there, so I'm going to rewrite the sentence the way I would say it. You do not want to be at Phillips at what time? You do want. You do want to be at Phillips at 8 o'clock. When I'm placing at 8 o'clock, at the end of the sentence. Who do you want to take to the prom? Who do you want to take to the prom? Who do you want to take to the party? Who do you want to take to the prom? Let's say I want to take, I don't know, say Carolina. I want to take Carolina to the prom. When am I placing Carolina? I want to take Carolina to the prom. I am placing Carolina after to take. Check. So because I am placing Carolina after to take, I am going to place the word who after to take to. You do want to take who to the prom? Who impressed you the most? Where am I going to place who? Let's see if you remember. Right, I'm not going to move who because that's a subject question. Remember that in subject questions, what I want to know is the subject. I am not using an auxiliary in this sentence. I'm not using the auxiliary did. So that tells me that that's a subject question. And finally, which dress are you giving away? Again, that doesn't have an interrogative pronoun, but we have a pronoun nonetheless. Now, let's start assigning roles. We have rearranged the sentence, and now let's think about roles. You have taken Daniel's shoes. Why? You is a subject pronoun. I know it's a subject pronoun because it's the subject of the sentence. So you, subject pronoun, subject. You have taken Daniel's shoes. Why? What is why? Is it the direct object? No. The direct object is Daniel's shoes. Is it a predicate nominative? No, I cannot have a predicate nominative there if I have a direct object. I cannot have a retained object. Is it an adjectival? No, it cannot be an adjectival. Is it, I don't know, an appositive? No, it cannot be an appositive. In that, that Y cannot be an appositive. I'm going to make things easier for you. Now, this is just my belief. I have no actual theoretical, well, maybe theoretical, but I don't have full evidence for this. But I would say that whenever you find the interrogative pronouns who, where, when, and why, I repeat, where, when, and why, they are going to be adverbials. I repeat, if they are interrogative pronouns. I would dare to say that all the time they are going to be adverbials. I may be wrong, okay? There might be exceptions, but whenever I have used them, whenever I have seen them, I can observe that peculiarity. So, going back to the example, you have taken Daniel's shoes, why? You, subject, pronoun, subject, why, interrogative pronoun, adverbial. They are taking us where? They, subject, pronoun, subject. They are taking who? Us. Us, object, pronoun, direct object. And where? Adverbial. You do want to be at Phillips at what time? You, subject, pronoun, subject. You do want to take who to the prom? You, subject, pronoun, subject. Do want to take who to the prom? What is the function of who? You want to take who? Who? Who is an interrogative pronoun, not acting as a direct object. Because remember that the direct object is after the verb. And in this case, the verb is want. So, who is an interrogative pronoun that is acting as the object of the infinitive to take. Who impressed you the most? See, remember I told you that was a subject question. So, the WH word, the interrogative pronoun, who, is the subject of the sentence. And you is not a subject pronoun. That cannot be a subject pronoun because you already know that the subject for that interrogative sentence is who. So, who impressed who? You. So, you is the direct object. And the last example, you are giving away what dress? You is the doer of the action, so you is a subject pronoun that is acting as a subject. And that, guys, is the way I would go about interrogative pronouns. Again, I recommend you rewatch these videos if you are still having doubts so that it can be cleared in your minds, okay? Of course, I will explain also in the video conference, but take a look at those, okay? That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.